show you how fucking retarded these inbred workers are that worked on 45's campaign. In the hours before 45's Make America Hate Again Klan rally in Tulsa, his campaign directed the removal of thousands of "Do Not Sit Here" police signs and stickers from the seats in the arena that were intended to establish social distancing between Klan goers, according to the video and photos obtained by the Washington Post and a person familiar with this event. The removal contradicted instructions from the management of the BOK Center, which even though 45 claimed that there was going to be 1 million people there, but I said you can't fit 1 million people in a 19,000 seat arena in downtown Tulsa, where 45 held his Klan rally on June 20th. At the time, the coronavirus cases were rising sharply in Tulsa, and 45 faced intense criticism over convening a large crowd for an indoor Klan rally, which was his first such event since the start of this pandemic. As part of its safety plans, arena management had purchased 12,000 "Do Not Sit" stickers for 45's Klan rally, intended to keep people apart by leaving open seats between attendees on the day of the Klan rally. The event staff had already affixed them on nearly every other seat in the arena when 45's campaign told event management to stop and then begin removing the stickers hours before the squatters' arrival, according to a person familiar with the event who spoke on the condition of anonymity to discuss the internal matters. In a video clip obtained by the Washington Post, 2 men, one in a suit and one wearing a badge and a face mask, can be seen pulling stickers off the seats in a section of the arena. It's unclear who those 2 men were. When 45 took the stage on Saturday evening, the crowd was clustered together and attendees were not leaving empty seats between themselves. The action by 45's campaign were first reported Friday by the Billboard magazine. As Klan rally preparations were underway, 45's campaign staff intervened with the venue manager, ASM Global, and told them to stop labeling seats in this way. Doug Thornton, the executive vice president of the ASM Global, told the magazine, "They also told us that they didn't want any signs posted saying we should social distance in the venue." Thornton said the campaign went through and removed all those stickers. A spokesperson for the ASM Global declined to comment any further. The 45 campaign spokesperson, Tim Murtaugh, did not directly respond to questions about the sticker removal. The Klan rally was in full compliance with local requirements. In addition, every Klan attendee received a temperature check prior to admission, and they were given a face mask and provided ample access to hand sanitizer, Murtaugh said in an emailed statement. In a separate statement, the campaign said that there were signs that people posted and were not aware of any campaign staff asking that they be removed. 45 held his Klan rally in Tulsa despite opposition by Oklahoma health authorities and residents who feared that convening a large crowd indoors could accelerate the spread of the coronavirus. The number of coronavirus cases in Tulsa County was spiking in the days leading up to the Klan rally and has continued to increase since. The director of the Tulsa Health Department, Bruce Dart, had recommended that the event be postponed until it was safer. A number of city residents and business owners did bring a lawsuit against the venue manager, ASM Global, seeking to require all attendees to wear masks and adhere to the social distancing guidelines from the health authorities. The Oklahoma Supreme Court rejected that lawsuit. On June 13th, a week before the Klan rally, Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt, who's a Republican, wrote to the venue management saying he understood that 45's campaign has presented plans to ASM Global in order to accommodate capacity crowds during a political Klan rally. Still, Stitt noted that Oklahoma was in phase 3 of its reopening plan, and 45's Klan rally proceeding as planned is consistent with the guidance of that plan. Stitt's letter added that we have also encouraged event licensees to refer to the general CDC guidelines for more information about COVID-19. 2 days before the Klan rally, the managers of the BOK Center had asked that the 45 campaign provide a detailed written plan outlining the health and safety measures it intended to use to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Before the Klan rally, Murtaugh said in an email statement, "We take safety seriously," yeah, like bullshit, "which is why we're doing temperature checks for everybody attending and providing masks and hand sanitizer. This will be a 45 Klan rally, which means a big, boisterous, inbreeding crowd that are a bunch of rednecks that don't understand what's going on. We don't recall the media shaming demonstrators about social distancing. In fact, the media were cheering them on." As the crowd entered the day of the Klan rally, the 45 campaign handed out masks and small bottles of the Make America Hate Again branded sanitizer. The BOK Center also put down floor floor decals in front of the concession areas and put up plexiglass to protect vendors. At 1:47 p.m. that day, Faux 23 News posted on its Facebook page a photo from inside the BOK Center showing two members of the event staff putting stickers on seats. Stickers are going on every other seat in the BOK Center saying, "Do not sit here," to try to spread the crowd out for 45's Klan rally tonight, the post read. After the majority of the stickers were in place, a member of 45's campaign radioed staff in the event war room where the arena management was monitoring preparations and told them to stop. According to the person familiar with the event staffers were told to continue applying the stickers. Later, the campaign began pulling them off, the person said. In video footage of 45's Klan rally, there appeared to be no effort to keep an empty seat between people. The attendance turned out to be less than 45 expected. He had said some 1 million people wanted tickets, which is not true, and the arena was not full, particularly in the upper level. 45 had wanted every seat packed, and he told advisors coming in on Air Force One and at the arena he was displeased that the crowd was not larger. Said two 45 advisors who, like others, spoke in the condition of anonymity to relay private conversations. He was really pissed, said one person who interacted with him. 45 had told North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper, who's a Democrat, during a May 29th phone call that he would not hold a socially distanced convention in Charlotte because he had never had an empty seat since he came down the escalator at the start of his squatter roll campaign in 2015. Yes, he has. Neither 45 nor the White House asked that the stickers be removed, said a senior White House official. While the campaign staff and some attendees wore masks during the Klan rally, many Klan goers did not. At least 6 members of the 45 campaign and band staff have tested positive for the coronavirus, including 2 Secret Service employees. Dozens of Secret Service officers and agents who attended the Klan rally were ordered to self-quarantine. Since the Klan rally, coronavirus cases in Tulsa County had hit a new high of 259 new confirmed on June 23rd, which happened to be the day of my birthday. So, yep, fucking stupid idiots.